Good morning, Peaches. It is so nice to see you again. You can see that I am going to do our circle time video today from my dining room table because after we sing our calendar song and weather song and read our message, I'm going to do two little mini lessons for you. So let's get started right away with our calendar song. And we'll practice the same song that we did yesterday. Moms and dads, for those of you who are watching with us, we always do the same calendar song for one straight week. So that way it gives the children multiple times to learn the words and to practice the words and the rhythm. So we are going to sing the same song we did yesterday. Okay, so if you remember, it goes like this. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Loud, everybody. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them softly. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud. Okay, very good. Let's find out now together what day of the week it is. Now remember, if you're not sure, I always tell you, you can start at the beginning of the week in front, the first box of the row, and then say the days of the week until you reach the empty box. Ready? Let's do that together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That's right. Let's get a little silly. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday is today. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday is today. Hooray! So we know that the day of the week is Tuesday. And now we'll sing together to find out, we'll count together, silly me, to find out what today's date is. Again, we're going to start at the beginning with the first number, number 1, and stop in the empty box. Everybody, tap your knees and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's right, boys and girls. If you counted to 14, you are right. A 1 and a 4 makes 14. Very good. Let's say the whole date together. Today's date is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. That's right. The month we are in is now April. Very good. All right, let's sing our weather song. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather is. Tell us what the weather is. Won't you please? Won't you please? So take a look out your weather window right now and tell somebody at home if it's sunny or cloudy or rainy or windy or foggy. And then if you haven't been outside yet, does it look hot out today? Does it look cold out today? How does it feel? Maybe you can even open your window or step outside for a moment. Okay, good job. All right, back to our message. We're going to move the calendar over for now and take a look at our message today. All right, friends, read with me. Welcome back. Today is Tuesday. Very good. We will learn about 8 and 15. Now, I wrote that because this message is for the morning class and the afternoon class. So my morning friends, we're going to learn about the number 8 today. And my afternoon friends, we are going to learn about the number 15. Let's continue reading. Can you count to 8? All right. So I have my card here. This is the number 8. And I have a little boy who's playing with all these vehicles. And I noticed that some of these vehicles are vans. V for vehicle and V for vans. Isn't that timely for V week? How do you like that? All right, let's count them together using one-to-one correspondence. Ready? Stay with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. He has 8 vehicles. Excellent. And now for the big kids, we are going to count to the number 15. Let's look at the number 15. Here we have a 1 and a 5 makes 15. Let's count the seashells together. Ready? Everybody tap your knees. So for the morning kids, this is a little bit of a challenge for you, but this is great because you know how to count this high when we count on our calendar every day together. So let's count the little boy's seashells. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. And you'll notice that I start at the very beginning, the first seashell when I begin counting, and I count right in order. And when I get to the end of the row, just like when I'm doing calendar or when we're reading, we get to the end of the row, and then we go to the beginning of the next row. And then I count one at a time, and as I count, I touch each item, and when I get to the end, where do I go? That's right, to the beginning of the next row. And that way, I stay in order so I don't miss any seashells and so I don't count any seashells over again. So we have 15 seashells. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, boys and girls, I'm going to teach the morning class how to write the number 8. So I'm going to erase my message and then I'll rewrite it for tomorrow. No worries. So afternoon kids, since you already know the number 8, you can fast forward if you'd like to, or you can just stay here with me as a little review. Okay? So look at what we have here. We have 8 little, spiders here. Let's count these spiders together. Again, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 spiders. Very good. So the first thing I'd like you to do, again, we're going to continue practicing one-to-one correspondence. Now, moms and dads, you can find this activity from our handwriting workbook in the Handwriting Without Tears folder that was sent to you yesterday in the link for this week's activities. This is our number practice sheet. Okay, boys and girls? So the first thing we're going to do, does anybody out there know how many legs a spider has? That's right. A spider has 8 legs. So before we even get down to practice writing the number 8, we are going to practice counting with one-to-one correspondence. So first we're going to trace the legs of each spider. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Let's do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each spider has 4 legs on one side, 4 legs on the other side. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So you're going to go through and you're going to trace all the legs on all the spiders. If you'd like, at the end, you can color the spiders if you want to. You can make different colored spiders. I know lots of our friends like to color rainbows. You can make rainbow spiders, whatever you want. Have fun if you want. And then after you trace all the legs on all the spiders, you're going to come down to the beginning and you're going to trace the number 8. So where do we always start our letters and numbers, boys and girls? That's right. We always start our numbers at the top. And there's our green light at the top because green means go. That's it. I heard it. Kiss your brain. Good job. Okay, so now watch this. You know what? I'm going to do a few on the board first. That's why I meant to erase the board. All right, so first, here's our green light, green light, green light. Okay, and I'll just flip it over and I'll use this side. Okay, so here's a little trick. Does anybody remember what this letter is? That's right, that's the letter S. So all number 8s start with the letter S. Listen to my little rhyme. Make an S, and when you stop, bring it back up to the top. And look at that. You can easily turn an S, a snake, into an 8. Let's do that again. Say it with me. Make an S, and when you stop, bring it back up to the top. So you're actually starting at the green light and you're ending at the green light. Usually we end at a red light, don't we? But the 8 is a little bit different. So let's do that one more time. Make an S, and when you stop, there's my S, bring it back up to the top. And then I turned it into an 8 with that little rhyme. Okay, let's put our number 8 right back up here. And let's practice tracing. Ready? We're going to do the same thing. And you can even see the 8. The S first. Ready? Make an S. And when you stop, bring it back up to the top. There it is. So you can practice tracing all of your 8s. Very good. And then you'll do the 3rd one and the 4th one as well. Good job. All right, all you morning peaches, give yourselves a big kiss on the brain. Good work today, counting to 8 and making 8s. If you'd like, you can stop the video right now because I'm going to move on to the afternoon class. Or if you are feeling extra smart today, which I know you all are, you can stay with me and learn about the number 15 if you're up for a little bit of an extra challenge, okay? So we said, so now when we make the 15, boys and girls, remember we just said that a 1 and a 5 makes 15, okay? So when we make a 1 and a 5, we now need 2 green lights at the top because we're going to need a green light for the number 1 and a green light for the 5. So we're going to put together a 1 and a 5, a 1 and a 5. That makes 15. All right, remember everybody, big line down and then you're done. That's the way you make a 1. And now for our 5. This time we're going to make a little line down, curve it around, jump back up, put a hat on top. And there's the number 5. Big line down, number 1. Ready? Let's make a 5. Little line down, little curve around, jump back up, put a hat on top. Wonderful. And let's do that one more time. Big line down for the number 1, sorry. Little line down, little curve around, jump back up, put a hat on top. Very good. Now, moms and dads, for this one, this practice sheet is not in the attached folder. So I am going to send this to you just for the PM class in a separate email today. I will send that if I haven't done so already. Okay, so remember, big kids, you always start with your name at the top. There's my name. And then if you'd like, just like I do for you when we're in school, I always make those green lights for you. If you want to make those green lights yourself, you can. If you don't need green lights because you're so smart now and you're almost in kindergarten, then you can just use the dots. So in the first row at the top, you're going to trace a 1 and a 5 makes 15. A 1 and a 5 makes 15. So you'll go all the way across and trace, and then you'll come to the bottom, and then you'll copy what you just wrote at the top. A 1 and a 5 makes 15. A 1, little line down, little curve around, jump back up, put a hat on top. So you'll finish tracing, you'll finish copying, and then remember, just like we did last week with the number 14, we have a number line, and we are missing a number in the number line that we're going to have to fit in right there. So everybody help me count. Where does our number line start? Does it start at number 1? No, it starts at number 11. So count with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's our missing number. So we're going to put in a 1 and a 5 makes 15. Keep counting. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Okay. Then we learned about base 10 blocks. So remember, just like our 10 frame, this is a 10 stick. And in each stick are 10 little cubes that are each worth 1. So we are going to count all the way up. And again, using one-to-one correspondence, we're going to fill in each cube or each square. When we get to the top, we need to keep counting. we're going to come to the bottom and we're going to count up until we get to 15. Ready? Everybody, count with me. Stay with me nice and slowly though, because remember, as you color, you count. You don't want your hand or your mouth to move too quickly or too slowly. You want to stay at the same pace. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. 15 cubes. And you don't even have to color the whole thing in. You can just shade it in like I did. All right, and then the final part, we're just going to move right over to the hands, and we're going to count those fingers. Each time we count a finger, we're going to put a little dot in it. Once again, boys and girls, you are getting very smart practicing your 1-2-1 correspondence. We count and color at the exact same time. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very, very good. And in this circle, we will write our number one last time. A 1 and a 5 makes 15. All you big peaches, kiss your brain. Very hard work. You guys did great today. So you can continue practicing your number all week. Maybe you're having a snack later and you can count out 15 pretzels. Or maybe you're having some M&Ms from your Easter basket and you can count out 15 M&Ms. Or maybe you're building with Legos and you can count out 15 Legos. So you keep practicing. You can practice writing your numbers on another sheet of paper or outside or on a chalkboard or an easel if you have it. And just keep having fun learning at home with mom and dad. All right? Keep practicing those numbers, and I will see you again tomorrow for our new color of the month. Let's see if you can guess it. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow. Love you guys. Have a great day. Miss you. Bye.